In this video, two users will collaboratively cook the dish cream shrimp using the Shall We Cook prototype.
I think, well, since we are doing the shrimp, definitely we need to handle that in the first step. Okay, so the first step is handle the shrimp. Step is cut the celery.
Next, they proceed to set their food preferences, selecting options based on both individuals' tastes and the flavor profile of the chosen dish. After that, they choose their preferred conversation topics for while they cook, which also serve as icebreakers during moments of silence. Once these are set, they can begin cooking.
Yeah, that's all. How to get off this dirty stuff?
Oh, let me teach you. So, actually, you can get a toothpick.
Oh, yes.
When the users select the correct tools and move close to the wrist device, the system detects the action and transitions to a confirmation screen, awarding points to the user.
Oh, I think, yeah, you've done great.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I think we finished this first handle shrimp task, right?
Let's go to the next stage.
Yeah. So the next step is cut the celery. So next step, I will cut the celery.
Oh, how you cut them to the even basis?
Oh, actually there are some tips here. So, oh, I think we can swap roles. Let you try it.
Oh, yeah, sure.
So you can come here. Yeah, and put the celery. So I will first show you a little bit. So when you are at the first one, and then you, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I need the curry.
While seasoning the dish, the wrist device prompts users with recommendations based on the previously set food preferences.
We need more salty food. Oh,
Let's
let's
check.
chat.
Okay, we have a lot of topic. Which one do you want to talk?
Let's talk about family.
But I also want to know some gossip. So maybe, oh, we can talk your family's gossip.
Yeah.
So next step, we need to add egg and celery. I think we already have celery here, but could you bring me one egg? It's in the refrigerator.
Yeah, sure. Can you tell me why we need to add egg?
Oh yeah, actually there are really some reasons. Let me first tap it. Yeah. Now I will tell you why. Okay, so yeah, so actually this is because we use egg to add some thickness to the sauce. So then the whole dishes will be more creamy, and sometimes will also with the egg's flavor, like this very delicious smell. Actually, I think this might be a very kind of general method in the, let's say, Southern Eastern Asian kind of cuisines. So yeah, I guess we can kind of skip that. Yeah.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, I think we can also earn us like scores from
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Yeah. I think now we can put the food.
Oh, yeah. Could you tell me where you learned this smell?
Let me first tap it. Actually, my aunt really loves eat this, and she will also kind of invite me to eat some Thailand food in her place. So sometimes I really miss her, so I decide to also, you know, follow some online tutorial and learn how to do it by myself.
Once the plating is finished, users should confirm that the dish is complete. At this point, visual feedback is displayed via projection, including decoration and a relation map.